Finding your content on someone else's site is a bad moment. There's a clear process for it, and you don't have to do it alone. Here's the playbook. First, document everything. Screenshot the content, the page URL, and the uploader details. And don't message the uploader. Contact can make them delete and repost elsewhere before a takedown lands. Then file the DMCA takedown, your contact info, the content URL, and a statement that you didn't authorize the use. If it's on social platforms, report it there as well. For everything you can't watch yourself, automated monitoring scans thousands of sites and files takedowns with one click. And for repeat offenders who ignore notices, legal help is the next step. Protecting your content is a legal right, and acting fast limits the damage. Read the full article at streamersuite.com.